And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Wednesday, April the 6th, 2022. Current time is 7:22 p.m. And look what I've stumbled upon in Lasalle. That is indeed an MR-63 train car over there. And there's a couple of them next to each other, side by side. And this is, I believe, an electrical substation on de la Vérendrye Street. This is facing south. This is facing to the west. Yeah, look at this. No wheels on them. Of course, they don't appear to be in good shape because they've been out in the elements. But what a find. And I've seen these in videos and pictures and also on Google Maps for quite a while. But I decided to come here and check it out. There it is. Looks like there's two of them. There could be more in the back. I'm not really sure. I'll try to give you another angle here through this hole in the fence. Yeah, there's what is that? 8174. Yeah, 81746. Can't tell what the one behind it is. Yeah, there's more in the back. You could see them. Yeah, look at that. Now, apparently these are part of a project that was being worked on to turn these into some sort of work of art or something along those lines. I'll provide more information when I get it. But yeah, enjoy that. This is, again, some MR-63 cars. MR-63 train carriages. Sitting here in Lasalle. And I'll try to go down here and see if we could get a view of the cab from a different angle. You can see these high voltage electrical lines. There's a substation, which provides an interesting little background as well. And yeah, we'll go over here and see the cabs from this angle down here, at least the best I can. Yeah, you can hear the hum of that electrical substation. Yeah, there, look at that right there. That's probably going to be my thumbnail. Alright, there. And again, this is in Lasalle. If you want to check it out, go to de la Vérendrye. I think the 110, the 495 go around here. And yeah, definitely check it out. How long are they going to be here? I'm not sure. Oh, there's another one there as well. Oh, that one, yeah, they have some graffiti on it as well in the back. But anyways, a nice little site there. Alright, have a good night, everybody. More videos to come.